This is a review of the ARES master cylinder adapter kit. It's 1021001. Comes in a great case. Nothing bad about it at all. All the pieces stay in there pretty well. Comes with a total of 12 pieces and does a great job. These pieces are significantly better. Previously, what we were using to take care of our brakes was the universal adapter, the 18035. It works, however, it can be a little finicky to get on various cars. So if you've got a couple different cars at your home, highly recommend getting the master cylinder adapter set. As you can see, I've already got it on here on the truck. This is a Chevy Silverado. Went right on there, no issues. Keeps a great seal. Didn't have any issues at all throughout the entire time that we were taking care of the brakes. And then it's hooked up to 18053, which is the manual bleeder set, which is fantastic as well. I've had this thing for a couple years now, and again, it's continues to do a great job. Makes taking care of the brakes super easy. And again, we've got 3 different cars. Each of the different adapters that we used today worked perfectly, and then went right back in the box, no issues.